After that year we lived at the age, okay, because they were the tribe people, so they had to move from one place to another. And behind their house was a country vineyard, orchard, irrigation ditches, and country roads. And both of they went to the horse there, and there were in olive avenues. And then the horse began to run fast. After that, it was a very wonderful time for both of them. The air was new and lovely to breathe, and the horse, the feel of the horse running was wonderful. While they were running on the back of horse, this was a wonderful moment for them. Now I'm telling you another one. Okay, there were other people also in their family, and as you know, narrator's cousin Murad was considered as a crazy by the other family members. Although Murad's father was Zorab, who was very practical man, nothing else, and that's how it was in our tribe. Okay, but the nature of child may be different from his father. And just like that, Murad was also different from his father. His father was a very practical man, but Murad was just want to live in imaginary world. Okay, and he wanted to live his life as he wanted. But that did not mean that he was also father of his spirit. Okay, although he was son of his father, but he was not the son of his spirit. Okay, his nature was different. The distribution of various kind of spirit in our tribe had been from the beginning capricious and vagrant. Okay, and in their tribe everything was different since starting. There were many things for many people which were different. And as you know, they were riding on the back of the horse, beautiful white horse. For all anybody knew, we were still in the country where, at least according to some of our neighbors, we belonged. We let the horse run as long as it felt like running. Okay, they were enjoying the riding too much. Okay, and they were letting the horse run as fast as it could run. And at last, his brother Murad said, "Get down. I want to ride alone." Okay, for some time, they had ride. Both of they were riding, but after some time, his cousin told him that you just get down the horse. And then the narrator asked him if he would let him ride alone after he rides. And then he answered, "That's up to the horse whether you allow or not. But now get down." And narrator was confident the horse will let him ride on its back. "We shall see." Okay, his narrator's cousin said, "Okay, they will see later. Don't forget that I have a way with the horse." And he told this also, that don't forget this, that I know how to deal with a horse. Well, I said, anyway, you have with the horse, I have also. कहते हैं, हाँ ठीक है, मुझे भी पता है हॉर्स को कैसे डील करते हैं. For the sake of your safety, he said, let us hope so. And his cousin said, okay, I was thinking about your safety, and now it's your own wish what you want. And now get down. All right, I said, but remember you have got to let me try to ride alone. Okay, while he was getting down the horse, he said, don't forget that after you, I'll also go for the riding. And he shouted, Vazaya, run! Okay, it was the name of the horse. The horse stood on its hind leg, snorted, and burst into a fury of speed that was loveliest thing I had ever seen. The narrator is telling, when his cousin told the horse to run fast, it immediately rose its hind legs, and snorted and just started to run as fast as it could. And the narrator had never seen this type of running of horse ever in his life. His cousin Murad raced the horse across the field to dry grass to an irrigation ditch, and he crossed the ditch on the horse, and 5 minutes later he returned dripping wet. Okay, the horse was running so fast that his cousin, the narrator's cousin, was dripping wet, means he was sweating so much. भीग रहा था, पसीना उससे बह रहा था. The sun was coming up. As you know, they went early in the morning, and now it was the time of sunrise, and it was coming up. Now it is my turn to ride, I said. And the narrator told his cousin brother that it was his turn to ride then. And his cousin got off the horse, and he said, okay, ride. The narrator leaped to the back of the horse, and for a moment knew the most awful fear imaginable. Okay, as he rode on horseback, he was feeling too much scared. Okay, he was imagining fear, and he thought that horse will start moving itself, but the horse did not move. Kick into his muscles, my cousin Murad said. And narrator's cousin said, kick his muscles, uski muscles में kick करो. What are you waiting for? We have got to back before everybody in the world is up and about. उसने कहा जल्दी करो, हमको इस घोड़े को वापस भी करना है इससे पहले कि सारे लोग जाग जाएं. I kicked into the muscle of the horse once again. It reared and snorted. Okay, and as the narrator kicked the muscles of the horse, again it reared and snorted. एकदम वो उसने पैर उठाए and चिंघाड़ा. Snorted is sound of horse. Then it began to run. The narrator didn't know what to do because he had no experience of horse riding. He was so nervous. Instead of running across the field to the irrigation ditch, the horse ran down the road to the vineyard of Dikran Halabian. Okay, so as the narrator was thinking that the horse will go to the irrigation ditch and to field, but the horse didn't do so. Instead, it went toward the road and the vineyard. Vineyard बेटे क्या होता है? अंगूर का जहाँ पर बेलें होती हैं, बहुत सारे अंगूर लगे रहते हैं. Okay, and it is the name of Dikran Halabian, where I began to leap over vines. Okay, and वहाँ पर उसने क्या किया, जो वाइन्स अंगूर की जो बेलें लगी थी उसके ऊपर इसने कूदना शुरू किया. The horse leaped over 7 vines before I fell. And the horse leaped means कूद कर 7 वाइन्स को उसने 7 वाइन्स के ऊपर वो कूदा एंड द नरेटर हैड फॉलन डाउन एंड देन इट कंटिन्यूड रनिंग. Okay, the narrator had fallen down, but the horse didn't stop. It continued running. And then his cousin Murad had come running from the road. And then he shouted, I'm not worried about you. We have got to get that horse. हमको उस horse को ढूंढना है. You go this way and I'll go this way. Okay. The narrator had fallen down, but his cousin was not worried about him. He was worried about the horse, and he ordered the narrator to go other side, and he was going in search of that horse in other way. And then he said, if you come upon him, be kindly, I'll be near. उसने कहा यदि वो तुमको मिल जाए तो उससे अच्छे से पेश आना. Be kind for him. I will be near. मैं यहीं आसपास ही होऊंगा. I continued down the road and my cousin Murad bent across the field toward the irrigation ditch. Okay, the narrator was searching the horse down the road and his cousin Murad, he went across the field toward the irrigation ditch. It took him half an hour to find the horse and bring him back. Okay, after half an hour they could find the horse. Actually not they, but narrator's cousin got the horse back. All right, he said, jump on. The whole world is awake now. उसने कहा अब तुम जल्दी चलो यहाँ से, सारे लोग जाग गए हैं. What we will do now? I said. The narrator was also worried. He asked, what we will do now? Well, he said, we'll either take him back or hide him until tomorrow morning. उसने कहा या तो हम इसको वापस कर देंगे या फिर हम कल सुबह तक के लिए इसको छुपा देंगे. He didn't sound worried and I knew he had hide him and not take him back. Okay, his cousin was not looking worried about the horse, and the narrator had understood that he is not going to take this horse back because he has already done this kind of work earlier, and he was sure that he will hide this horse up to tomorrow morning. Where will we hide him? I said. Okay, the narrator asked him where they would hide the horse, and his cousin answered that he knew a place. And as you know, the narrator was suspicious about this horse. Then he asked his cousin, how long ago did you steal this horse? Okay, he asked his cousin, how long ago did you steal this horse? It suddenly dawned on me that he had been taking these early morning rides for some time and had come for me this morning only because he knew how much I longed to ride. And then his cousin looked at him and then told that he had been taking these rides early morning for some time. Okay, he had been riding for some time, and told this also that he came that morning to him because he knew that he was also interested in horse riding. He was wishing to have a horse riding. Who said anything about stealing a horse? He said. As you know, stealing was a crime for them. So he asked him that who told you that you should steal a horse? Anyhow, I said, how long ago did you begin riding every morning? फिर भी अगेन ही आस्क्ड, दोबारा से उससे पूछते हैं कितने दिनों से तुम फिर भी तुम कितने दिनों से इस पर राइडिंग कर रहे हो हर सुबह. एंड हिज कजिन आंसर्ड, नॉट अंटिल दिस मॉर्निंग, ही सेड. उसने कहा नहीं, आज से पहले तो मैंने कभी नहीं की. आर यू टेलिंग द ट्रुथ? I said, and because narrator knew that it is not true, it is not truth, that's why still he asked if he was telling him the truth. Okay, in next video